In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a countdown bar to ClickFunnels. By the end, you'll have a clear, compelling timer on your page that helps drive urgency and boosts conversions without any confusion along the way. First, open your funnel inside ClickFunnels and jump into the page editor for the specific page where you want the countdown to appear. Give the page a moment to load so you can see the full layout, including your sections, rows, and columns. Next, navigate to the spot where the countdown should live. This could be at the top of the page, just under your headline, or near a call to action button. When you've found the right location, click the Add New Element button, the one with the plus icon. This opens a panel with all the elements you can drop into your layout. From that elements list, look for Countdown. You might see different versions listed, like Countdown or Countdown 2.0. Either option will work. Choose the one that matches your theme or offers the design flexibility you need. Now drag the countdown element into your layout. As you drag, watch for the blue placement guides to snap it into the correct column or section. Once it's placed, hover over the countdown and click the gear icon to open its settings. This is where you control how the timer behaves and looks. Set your end date and time to match your promotion or event. Pay attention to the time zone setting so the timer ends when you expect it to, regardless of where your visitors are. Adjust the labels for days, hours, minutes, and seconds to be clear and concise. Then refine the style. Choose the format you prefer, adjust font and colors, and make sure it contrasts well against your background so it's easy to read. Decide what happens when the time is up. You can hide the countdown so it disappears automatically, reveal different content like a message that the offer has ended, or redirect visitors to another page, such as a waitlist or a post-offer page. If you choose a redirect, double-check the URL and make sure it's published and accessible. Finally, save your changes and preview the page. Look at the countdown on desktop and mobile to confirm spacing, alignment, and readability. Make sure the time remaining looks accurate and matches your end date and time zone. If you want to test the end behavior quickly, temporarily set the timer to expire soon, preview the page, and confirm the action works as intended. When everything looks good, save again and you're done.